Okay, fine. Game started now. So without using paper or pen, you have to give the answer in chart. Answer. Can you please give me the answer for 18 times 14? Give the answer in chart. Who will give the answer first will get the point. And we are doing teens into teens method. Practically, we are proving that by using Vedic maths, we need not to use the paper or pen to solve the sums. Our brain can do anything we wanted to do, and our IQ level will increase a lot. Answer is given by the Mahit first. I think just let me check. Is it Mahit or Medhavi? I think Mahit. Mahit got 1 point. Okay. Mahit got 1 point. For ready for the next question? All of you ready? 16 times 16. Yeah, I got the answer first from. Answer is 256. It is from Medhavi this time. Medhavi got 1 point. Ready for the next question? All of you ready? It is 15 times 17. Yeah, this time answer given by Ashu first. Ashu given the answer first. Where is Ashu? Ashu didn't enable the video. Where are you? I have enabled. Okay, fine. Ashu got 1 point this time. Oh, it is more competitive. The people are getting 1 point. let's get checked who will get the next point. Ready? And the next question is 19 times 16. Oh, Ashu, you just show your hands, and you should not disable your video. Okay, Ashu got 2 points. And let me check. Yep, Ashu given the correct answer. And okay, next. All of you ready? Don't disable your videos. Ashu, enable it. Yep. Ready? 18 times. Again, Ashu, I told you already. Mahit, Medhavi, and Ashu should not disable your videos. Okay. The question is 18 times 13. Yeah, this time Galaxy J5 given the answer, and then Medhavi. So I don't know who is this Galaxy is, and maybe he is the new student from the of 6 p.m. batch. So that I'm giving point to Medhavi. 2 points, Mahit 1 point, and Ashu 2 points. Okay? Ready? Let's get. Yeah, Saujanya, you should rename yourself. And are you from 6 p.m. batch or 7 p.m. batch? 6 p.m. batch. Okay, new student, no problem. Because we cannot consider the 6 p.m. batch because this competition is for 7 p.m. batch. So, okay, but good try, Saujanya. You did well. Okay, ready, all of you? All of you ready? Ashu, I told you already. Yeah, please. So the next question is 18 times 18. This question is not considered because again Ashu disabled his video. I told you Ashu already, don't disable your video. Again Ashu is disabled. Ashu, enable it. Ashu, enable your video. Before it was not happened, right? Okay, let it be. Let it be. Last time we'll do it. Okay. Ready? 17 times 18. Well, try everyone. And 306 is the answer. And everyone given correct answer. Nice. Very good. And Ashu is the winner and he is Mr. Team. And remaining all given the answer with the fraction of seconds. Did you see that? Just fraction of seconds. And this is the competition just for the healthy competition in between all. Okay. Don't think that you are not did well. Everyone given the answer just the fraction of seconds difference. Do you understand? Did you observe the speed? You have given the answer faster than calculator. Yep, in just fraction of seconds. So this is the power of Vedic maths. Okay, okay, all of you, and this is the last 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, this is about Dharma Sandeha. Last 10 minutes, it will be always Dharma Sandeha. You already know that. So you can ask any question if you wanted to. Otherwise, you can give feedback on Vedic maths to the new people who are joined here. Will you? Yeah, you just share your experience about Vedic maths to the new friends. Yeah, first congratulate the Ashu. I already told
Sir,
you celebration is nothing
sir,
but
I think you don't
enjoying.
know, sir, but actually Ashu is my friend, sir. He is my apartment friend, actually.
Yes, yes. Okay. Nice. Ashu, everyone is congratulating you. Can you please say thanks to everyone?
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, will you please one by one? Can you please share your experience about Vedic maths? Just what you felt before Vedic, after Vedic. Okay, like
Sir,
before
I have
Corona.
improved my speed of. Sir, I have improved my speed of calculating, sir, in multiplications and additions.
In
Sir,
mathematics.
next I tell sir.
Next,
Sir, I sir.
yeah, nice.
Sir,
Next,
again, it makes me more interesting as a subject in maths, sir.
that's nice.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, next, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Chitra, tell me.
सर कोई ना मुझे लेफ्ट सर बार बार कोई ना मुझे लेफ्ट करा दे रहा है सर तब से मैं आंसर देने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कोई मुझे लेफ्ट करा देने के लिए मतलब करा दे रहा है सर
Okay, no problem, Chitra. Maybe it is because of network and data issue. Okay, na? No one can remove you or no one can left you except me. So I'm I'm not doing that. Okay. So no problem because of data issue, maybe network issue. So can you please give the feedback remaining all people?
We didn't know that
Sir,
mathematics
I tell sir.
addition is the only. It improves both our it improves our
Sir,
both
I tell sir.
by which we can be more creative and imaginative, as well as it improves our mathematical calculations, and it prevents the unnecessary time wastage on solving minor problems.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, dear. Next.
Sir, I sir.
Yeah, please tell. In
Sir,
just one class.
Vedic maths వల్ల అందరికి నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది సార్ కానీ నాలెడ్జ్ పెంచడానికి కూడా హెల్ప్ చేస్తుంది సార్ వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్
Thank you, dear. Thank you. In just one class, you have given me the feedback. Thank you so much. And remaining,
And sir,
yeah, others.
because of Vedic maths,
Yeah, ఆరుష్ ఇంకా నువ్వు సైలెంట్గా ఉండాలి మిగతా వాళ్ళు మాట్లాడాలి కదా మ్యూట్లో పెట్టు
ఓకే సార్
యా
because of Vedic maths, we could be like computer, like what's her name? We could
Shakuntala Devi.
even poor people, yeah, Shakuntala Devi. We could be like Shakuntala Devi, and it helps a lot of people.
Yeah, thank you so much. Next. Hello, there are so many people are there, the students who are learning Vedic maths from Sanjeev. Lahari.
sir
Yeah, Chitra, tell me. Enable your video.
sir Vedic math okay sir
Yeah.
sir Vedic maths is very good method for us sir it's tell how to multiply or any method of math sir
Okay. Next. Any other feedbacks? Lahari. Sahasra. Vishnupriya. There are so many people are there.
Sir, can Arshad speak, sir?
Vedic maths is like playing with maths.
It is like playing with math, right, Sharon? Can you please enable your video so that we can see your face? Yeah. It is like playing game with math, right? Okay, nice. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Next.
Sir, I was wondered by seeing that movie Shakuntala Devi, sir, because she is solving every problem within a second, sir. I was shocked, sir. So I knew the secret of the. I'm going to know the secret of the Shakuntala Devi, how she was doing that, sir.
Very good, very good. Vishnu Priya? Is there Sahasra?
సార్ పర్
Yeah.
మంత్ కి 2000 సార్ పర్ మంత్ కి
అవును ఇప్పుడు జరిగేది ఏంది ఓకే ఫైన్ లహరి డూ యూ వాంట్ సే సంథింగ్ యా ఓకే ఫైన్ విల్ ఎండ్ ది సెషన్